Hello friends, good morning. I am Miss Suja. So today I'm going to start a lesson on tracing letter G. I know few of my friends mastered this letter and few of them are still practicing. So those who mastered with this letter can still watch the video and memorize this sound G. So let's begin our tracing G. So take your two fingers, start from the beginning of G, move up, come down and make a nice loop. Finish, go. One more time. Go up, trace, make a nice loop, come down and finish, go. Last time. Up. Keep focusing on the tracing. So now we finished tracing G, G, G. So I would recommend you to trace on the paper, or you can trace on your mat or on your table. Let's start tracing. I'm pretending here, seeing my G, G. G. So I know this is from the school sandpaper letter. If you don't have this, you can use a paper and you can start tracing on the paper with your fingers, making a G. Make a nice curve and trace G. Or you can use the paintbrush. I'm taking the green color paint. You can use any color of your choice. So dip the brush on the paint and you can trace G. Take more paint. Oops. Trace one more time. G. Dip some more paint. Keep running, tracing G. One more time on the same G. Okay, so after I finish tracing G on the paper, I am showing you now how to write G on a slate. I got this slate from the school. You can use your writing boards or you can use your chalk, and if you have slate, and you can use the slate and chalk, or if you have any writing boards at home, you can use the writing boards too. So let's begin tracing G. Let's begin writing G. Make a nice loop, come down and finish G. Go up, make a nice circle, come down and finish G. So after you finish tracing on the slate, you can do the writing on the paper. So you can get your paper, print it out and get it printed. You can get your paper in front of you. Yes, I have cut the paper into small pieces, and please write the name on the top. You see the writing name on the top. So write your name. Writing my name is Suja. And the date today is 3/23/20. So now start writing G on the paper. Go start from the beginning. Make a nice circle. Come down and finish G. One more time. Make a nice circle. Go up, come down and finish G. I'm writing for the last time. Make a nice circle. Go up, come down. Kilo. You can finish writing all the lines and make a nice practice. Hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Bye. See you next video.